Good morning, students. In yesterday's lecture, we discussed about uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion is the one in which we travel equal distance in equal intervals of time. And non-uniform motion in which unequal distance is covered by the body in equal intervals or unequal intervals of time. Speed. So today we are going to discuss speed. What is speed now? Speed is the distance traveled per unit time. Or you can say distance traveled upon time taken in a short interval of time. Speed is a scalar quantity and its unit is meter per second. How does this meter per second came? As we know, speed is distance upon time. Distance is measured in meters and time in seconds. So the unit of speeds become meters per second. It is of two types, and the another is a special case of speed. First, uniform speed. Uniform speed in which the object covers equal distance in equal interval of time. Non-uniform speed when unequal distance is covered in equal intervals of time. So you can quote the examples of it. It is similar as that of uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Average speed. Average speed is total distance traveled. How it is different from speed? Speed is the distance traveled in short interval of time, but in average speed we take the total distance and the total time taken to cover that distance. So this is how average speed differs from speed. Our next topic is velocity. Velocity, it is distance traveled per unit time but in a particular direction. Since the direction is involved in measuring velocity, so it is a vector quantity and its units are same as that of speed. When does velocity of a body is said to be changed? When there is change in speed. We know speed will change when we increase or decrease its the speed of a body. But direction and speed both matter in case of velocity. If any one of it is changing, then the velocity will change. If the speed is changing, then also velocity will change. And in case direction changes, then also velocity will change. And in case both are changing, then velocity is also changing. So velocity is also of two types, uniform velocity and non-uniform velocity. Uniform velocity, when the body travels in a straight line, the condition is that the body is traveling in straight line in a particular direction, because we all know if the direction is changing, then velocity will change. So for uniform velocity, the body travels in a straight line and covers equal distance in equal intervals of time. But in non-uniform velocity, when it covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time, or equal distance in equal interval of time, but the direction is changing, then also the cases of uniform velocity. Hope you understand the concept of speed and velocity. So this was all for today. Thank you.